is Noki, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review two lip kits from Eldridge. I know in previous video I said, maybe lip gloss wasn't my thing, but it was just so popular. It was sold out so quickly and everyone was saying, oh my god, the lip gloss is to die for. And I was like, I really didn't want to miss it, so I ordered the lip kit. That's the only way I can still get a lip gloss. I ordered two kits. One of them is Velvet Myth and the other one's Velvet Ribbon. Both lipsticks, I've got them already, so I have forced my friend to buy with me. Luckily she agreed to do it, but I'm sure she wouldn't regret. So if you're interested in this two lip kit, keep watching. For those of you first time being to my channel, I am a London-based makeup artist. So for my job, I've got the best excuse to get all the latest makeup. I particularly enjoy playing with those kind of high-end makeup. So if this kind of content interests you, or if you're curious about what a makeup artist thinks about all this new makeup, feel free to subscribe my channel and come back every week for the latest videos. So let's start for today's lip kits. We start from the makeup bag. This is the floral pattern one. It's quite pretty, quite colorful. This kind of makeup bag only comes with the lip kit, so I couldn't choose this one, but I still got it in the end. Okay, let's talk about the lip kit. Velvet Myth lipstick, lip liner, and lip gloss. Velvet Myth lipstick. I got it right after the first video I did of Lisa's lipsticks, so I don't think I've swatched this one before. It's a pinkish mulberry color. Very pretty, very elegant, very feminine, and formal at the same time. If you have some important event to attend, I think this one will work well. For the lip liner, the color is the same, so it suits the lipstick 100%. The texture is very smooth, easy to draw on, and it's long lasting as well. When it's dry, it's quite difficult to remove even if you rub it. So I would say this lip liner impressed me a lot. For the lip gloss, it's 4.5 ml, so not too much. The packaging is very cute. It's quite chubby. I quite like it. For the texture, I have to give it credit because the pigmentation is amazing. Even if you just apply a layer of lip gloss, you can still see the color, and it's got hydration. It's not dry, not sticky at all. So I'm really happy with the quality, I have to say. No wonder everyone was complimenting the new lip gloss. Now I understand. It's really, really good. Okay, now let's talk about Velvet Ribbon Kit. Lipstick, lip gloss, and lip liner. The lipstick, I got it last year and I did the swatches in the previous video. If you still remember, I broke the lipstick, so it's a little bit difficult to control it. It's a blue toned red, very formal, elegant, feminine. It suits me so well and it makes my teeth look super white, so I got no complaint with this one. The lip liner, the color is the same, and the texture, as I said it before, it's very smooth to draw on and long lasting. It definitely helps to create a perfect red lip look. And for the lip gloss, texture-wise, it's got the hydration, not sticky, great pigmentation. Another thing is Velvet Ribbon. It's a blue tone red, formal red. So when you apply the lip gloss on top of the lip liner and lipstick, it makes the red looking more lively and give different texture to it. With the glossy effect on your lips, it just makes you less formal and more daily. It's a very good choice if you don't want to put on too much makeup. So after trying on 2 different lip kits, I think I personally prefer Velvet Ribbon a little bit more, but Velvet Myth was really good as well. So this is what I thought about the 2 new lip kits, Velvet Ribbon and Velvet Myth from Eldridge. Let me know what you think, which lip kit you like the most. Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time. Bye bye!